Here we're asked to find the square root. If I were to put in my calculator the square root of 108, I'm going to get a number that has a decimal that fills my calculator up. I would have to round my answer. If you want to give a more exact answer, then you need to go through these steps. We're going to see if we can take the square root of part of this number and then leave some of it underneath the square root symbol. So square root is asking what is being squared. So we need to take 108 and break it out into the numbers that multiply to give us 108. That way we can see what there are two of. What number is multiplied by itself twice. So what I'm going to do is a prime factorization tree. I know that 108 is even, so I know it's 2 times some number. And I can find out that that is 54 because 108 divided by 2 is 54. Then that's even. So I'm going to divide that by 2 again. And I see it's 2 times 27. I can circle the 2's because these are prime and I can't break them down any further. But 27 is the same as 3 times 9. 3 is prime. And 9 is the same as 3 times 3. So we are going to rewrite the square root of 108, but instead of 108, we're going to put 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. So now we can look at what's underneath our square root symbol and ask ourselves what's being squared. Well, 2 times 2 is 2 squared. So what's being squared? 2. So I can bring that 2 out. What's being squared here? 3 times 3 is 3 squared. So what's being squared? 3. So outside of that square root symbol, we have a 2 and a 3, but inside we just have this 3 because there's only one of them. If there were 2 of them, we could say 3 is being squared again. But outside of the square root, we have 2 times 3, which is 6. And again, inside that square root symbol, we have to leave that lonely 3 by itself. And so this would be our answer.